The Sniffle Squad and the Mystery of the Missing Energy with RNtrooper. Luna sneezed. Zara sniffled. Milo moaned. I feel like a floppy pancake. The trio sat bundled in blankets on Luna's couch, surrounded by used tissues and half-empty soup bowls. I was fine yesterday, Zara groaned. I think my brain is melting, Milo mumbled. You probably just have a cold, Luna said. Or maybe, she lowered her voice. The flu. That's when the door creaked open. A familiar voice called, sounds like someone needs a checkup. RNtrooper stepped in. Red braid tucked over her shoulder, white armor shining with red crosses, stethoscope in hand. Cadets, report for sniffle status. The kids giggled, even through their groans. Flu season is no joke, RNtrooper said, scanning them. Do any of you have a fever? Maybe, Milo said. Definitely, Luna sighed. Then it's time for rest, fluids, and medicine, but only if your grown-up gives the okay. She opened her kit and pulled out a chart. Rule number 1, never take medicine from a friend or guess what to take. Even if it tastes like cherry? Zara asked. Especially then. RNtrooper laughed. Only grown-ups and doctors know the right medicine and dose for your body. Rule number 2, if your doctor says to take it, take the full dose. Don't stop early just because you feel better. Luna raised her hand. I got my flu shot last month. Does that help? RNtrooper gave her a thumbs up. Big time. Vaccines train your body to fight viruses like flu or COVID before they take you down. Milo gulped. But needles are scary. They can be, RNtrooper said, kneeling beside him. But Brave isn't not scared. Brave is doing the hard thing anyway.
Hooray!
With water bottles, warm blankets, and a thermometer by their side, the Sniffle Squad felt a bit better already. By the end of the week, they were back on their feet, masking their coughs, washing hands, and reminding each other to rest when tired. You're officially cleared for candy duty, RNtrooper saluted. Until next time, stay smart, stay strong, and wash those hands. RNtrooper's nurse's notes. Feeling sick? Here's what to know. Whether it's the sniffles or the full-on flu, here's how nurses, kids, and parents can team up to feel better. And stay safer. If you're feeling sick, 1, tell a grown-up right away. Don't try to tough it out. Fever, sore throat, runny nose, chills, these can get worse fast. 2, rest is medicine. 2, your body fights best when it's not trying to do everything else. Cozy up with a blanket and take it easy. 3, hydrate like a hero. Water, broth, or a nurse's favorite, sugar-free popsicles. They're fun, hydrating, and soothing. 4, take medicine only from trusted adults. Never share medicine. Always ask your doctor or pharmacist. The right dose matters. Need advice? Ask a pharmacist or family doctor. Your local pharmacy team is a great resource. They know what medicine is safe, what side effects to watch for, and how much to give. Pro tips from RNtrooper. Wash your hands more often when you're sick. Cough into your elbow, not your hands. Swap screen time for story time and naps. If your fever lasts more than a couple days, call your doctor. Remember, getting sick happens, but smart choices help you bounce back faster. Now drink that water and go grab a sugar-free popsicle. Nurse's orders, RNtrooper.